Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Make sure your device has at least 5 GB free. Low storage causes crashes. Once done, update Blue Archive and the operating system to eliminate known bugs. Next, clear the app cache and stop the app to remove corrupted temporary data. If you use an emulator, close it and restart the host. These quick steps prevent many crashes before deeper troubleshooting is needed. Once basic fixes are applied, address permissions and compatibility which often cause mid-session crashes. You should grant storage and network permissions so the game can read files and connect reliably. Then disable battery saver and app optimization. Those kill background threads and break sessions. If you run on an emulator, match a supported resolution like 16:9 and pick a recommended CPU/RAM profile. Also make sure GPU drivers or emulator tools are up to date so graphics-related crashes stop occurring. To finish, perform a clean reinstall if crashes persist. Backup account data, uninstall, reboot device, and reinstall to ensure fresh files. Once reinstalled, log in and test. If it still crashes, try another device or a different account to determine whether the issue is device-specific or account-related. If problems continue, capture logs and screenshots, note device model, OS, and exact crash steps, then contact support. One key tip: replicate the crash with developer mode, enabled to capture more useful diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.